Hi everyone. Putting on socks might seem like a small everyday task, but for people with muscular dystrophy, it can be tiring, frustrating, or even impossible without help. Weakness in the hands, arms, or legs can make bending down or pulling fabric difficult. A sock aid makes this task much easier. It reduces the need to bend, saves energy, and gives you more independence in your daily routine. By using a simple tool, you can start your day with less struggle and more in confidence. There is a variety of sock aids that you can purchase, but if you don't want to spend the money, you can also use a towel to help you. In the first video, Sari will demonstrate how to fold the towel. In the second, she demonstrates how to use the towel as a sock aid. Using a sock aid is not about giving up. It's about finding smarter ways to do things and keeping your independence for as long as possible.